The main goal of video surveillance is to see clearly at any time, anywhere, especially in ultra-low lighting conditions. A new generation of StarView has been created to redefine the starlight. To develop new StarView series, we choose the latest 5-megapixel sensor backside illumination technology, which helps deliver extraordinary low light, sensitivity, and maintain a wide field of view. Our Super Starlight StarView series features a built-in f1.2 big iris lens to radically improve the light-gathered capability. It redefines the minimum illumination, which can be down to 0.0005 lux. Through years of accumulated experience, our exclusive UISP technology can guarantee superior image quality through enhanced signal-to-noise ratio, unrivaled image definition, and especially by reducing smearing of moving objects in low light. We give high priority to ease of use by creating a one-key set starlight mode which works perfectly under static scenes. One more step sets a low motion blur mode to produce better images of moving objects. StarView comes at a reasonable price. We are dedicated to launch the StarView series with the best balance between price and performance. We are Uniview. We redefine the starlight with StarView series. We never stop pursuing the faint glow of the universe.